पैसा का पहले इंग्लिश में ये बोले आपको गाइड चाहिए नहीं चाहिए
So do you want local guide?
एंड आई एम क्या
I am a local guide. Guide will explain about Nalanda University.
यूनिवर्सिटी
아, banyan tree 난디래.
이도 네 세리셔 되기도 와
아, 로스.
야, 김에 대해서 들어 주시고. 지금도 세리셔도 와. 그대로 꼽았다 그래. 저거 세린 거 유야지.
아,
Yes. 200 is okay, okay? 200 में जो बोलना है बोलिए आप हाउ जाएगी तो छोड़ दो
500 लेकिन
जो ला दो
अच्छा से don't mind about
ओके
money.
ओके बोलिए
So
इन लोग ना हिंदी नहीं जानता है ये दोनों आगे हम लोग तो ठीक है
अच्छा तो
आप
बोलिए.
इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं he will explain in English
So this place called Nalanda and very beautiful meaning of Nalanda. I called this place Nalanda. Very beautiful. Two words. One Nalam and Da. Nalanda. So Nalam means knowledge. Lotus flower, symbol of knowledge. To Nalam knowledge and Da means to give. To give knowledge, that is called Nalanda. So we can say that this place was called land of knowledge. So now you will see the ruins of land of knowledge because damaged Nalanda now. And before excavation, total area look like a hill. Like that, there is a hill. AD, at the time of King Harshvardhana, Chinese traveler Wen Song was the student of this university, studied about 4 years, then became a teacher also. So in a student life, Wen Sang wrote a book about Nalanda. That book, British archaeologist, Englishman, his name was Lord Cunningham, 1861, identify not a hill, not a mount, just underground Nalanda University, ruins of Nalanda University. So when Song wrote a book, at the time of Harshvardhan, tourist monk, you know monk?
monk.
A student, was Bhikshu.
Yeah, big shot.
Monk, 10,000 study. 10,000 students, 2,000 teachers living together. And that time 10 kilometers long and 5 kilometers wide Nalanda. But bad luck, Muslim, you know Muslim?
Yeah.
His name was Muhammad Bakhtiar Khalji. Destroyed the Nalanda University. At that time, 3 big libraries and countless books keeping in the library. 3 Pitak book. So Khilji want fire in the library. 6 months books were burning. So after destroying Nalanda, no any king built it again. So all damaged Nalanda slowly look like a hill. So according to book of Chinese traveler Wen Song, only 1 kilometer. Its area about 10 kilometers. I have told you. Excavated only 1 kilometer. And before excavation, 9 kilometers over local encroachment. Many houses over Nalanda University. So not excavated. So in 1 kilometer, main gate of Nalanda, nobody knows. Because full area not excavated. So where is main gate, nobody can say. But when Song wrote a book, the admission system in the Nalanda University. If any monks, lama, is to come here and want to take admission, the gate man near the gate man proposes hard question about Buddhist religion. After passing the gate, a student go inside for the admission, otherwise return back. So main gate nobody knows. Full university not excavated, very small part, 1 kilometer. And 9 kilometer new village over there. So Nalanda University, many scholar to teach the students Lama. And many scholar means Nagarjuna, Vasubandhu, Asanga, Dharmakriti, Guru Padma Sambhava, Shilabhadra, Narupa. All various scholars to teach the students. And when the student became perfect in Buddhist religion, then a student is to go to other country for spreading the Buddhist religion. But it is main question, you are the Buddhist, why Muslim is to come here and destroy Nalanda? Okay? Why destroy Nalanda University? Listen, Nalanda University was Buddhist university. From this place, Buddhism was spreading in the whole world. So Muslim wanted to stop the Buddhist religion, attacked here and everything destroyed. So only 1 kilometer excavated site, and please come and see the ruins of Nalanda. Like Nalanda University, in the Asia, 3 big universities, not only Nalanda. Very old university was Takshashila,
Oh, where is that?
now in Pakistan.
Oh, okay.
Chanakya, you know Chanakya?
Chanakya. Yeah.
Chanakya was the teacher of that university.
Oh, okay.
Then Nalanda, and after Nalanda, a Vikramshila University in Bihar state. So in Bihar state, 2 university ruins,
Okay.
Nalanda
Nalanda
and Vikramshila.
Vikramshila.
And now first university was in Takshashila. But Nalanda was the biggest, famous Buddhist learning center of Mahayana.
Oh, okay. Vikramshila, where is that?
200 kilometers from this. It is your question, why king built a Buddhist university at Nalanda? Why not Lumbini, where our Lord Buddha birthplace? Why not Bodh Gaya, got enlightenment? Why not Sarnath and Kushinagar, death place Buddha? Why built it here, Nalanda Buddhist University? Because Bhagavan Lord Buddha had 2 disciples, very close, belongs to Nalanda.
Oh,
First name was Sariputta,
Shariputra. Oh,
second was Moggallana,
Mogala.
Mogliputra, Moggallana. Very close student of Buddha, belongs to Nalanda.
Okay.
And when Lord Buddha, Moggalayan, is to go to Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh, for spreading the Buddhist religion and death there. So, memory of Moggalayan, that is called Sanchi Stupa. You know Sanchi Stupa?
Yeah.
Sanchi Stupa. The Moggalayan birthplace here, but death place in Sanchi. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal. And just another Shariputra was birth and death place in same village, same room.
In Bhopal?
No, Nalanda.
Oh, here. Oh.
Shariputra. To Shariputra and Moggallana, very close student of Buddha, King Ashoka, after Kalinga War, is to come here and was built a monastery. Monastery means where the monks, Lama, is to live. And that a small place slowly became Nalanda University.
okay, wow.
뭔가 몰라. 그 쉬워 쉬워.
Ah, this.
아 그들에도 저렇게 배워서
No, no.
지약.
Ah, this is.
그거 먹어도 셔리포. 가지고로 배트서라.
Salifo.
얘도 다운에 통보를 들으시고.
Ah, this.
셔리포다 상계 양을 모두 고원에 샤서.
Ah, Sharibu.
아 셔리.
Sange English. Ah,
그래서 로도
nice, nice.
가셔도 셔리. 셔리 부크나서 다나.
Ah,
사지
this.
다나.
No, this.
아, 그래서 유튜브 채널에 그래서 이게 달리원, 다시 그 달리원 찍고,
Ah,
달리원 들이 가서 가지고
ah,
뭐야, 뭐가요?
ah, this.
Hello.
Yes.
Before excavation, total area look like that. There is a mount, you know, a small
Oh,
Like
this
hill?
one. Yeah.
total area.
The whole.
And nobody knows about Nalanda.
Mm-hmm.
But Huan Song
Hero.
study here, wrote a book.
Mm-hmm.
According to that book,
Mm-hmm.
British archaeologists start excavation here.
Oh, okay. And he found this. So this was the one, right? Ruins. Excavated remains in Nalanda.
33, 34.
Oh,
That's all this.
that's nice.
저기,
Ah, that's.
that's all.
근데 그 사람들 중에 셰리프지.
셔리 보기 달랐지. 셔리 보기지. 양대 초된 데 해서 뭐.
아, that's. 아, 너네도 싫어. 셰리프지 아니 이 좀 전에 되게 유명한 거랑.
정말 충전된 양이 모든 건 샤사랬어. 여기도.
노스.
When I start excavation here, so 3 floors find out at the time of excavation, digging. First inside you will see Gupta dynasty Nalanda.
Oh, okay.
Gupta dynasty means King Kumar Gupta was built Nalanda University.
Oh,
500 AD.
nice.
500 AD, how long? 1600
Oh,
years old. So Gupta dynasty Nalanda continue going on 200 years.
okay. Oh, okay.
It may be between 200 years it was damaged by nature. Gupta dynasty Nalanda damaged by nature. After King Harshvardhan rebuilt overnight.
Oh,
Then Pala dynasty also rebuilt overnight.
ah,
So 3 floors, ground floor, Gupta dynasty Nalanda. First floor, Harshavardhan dynasty.
oh,
Top and last, Pal dynasty.
oh,
So, over there, 900, middle Nalanda 700, and first Nalanda 500. See,
And when did Khilji destroyed?
in 12th century. AD.
12th centuries. Ah, okay.
여기도.
At the time of Buddha, no Nalanda University,
뭐
Russia, because Lord Buddha period about 6th century BC, and Nalanda University was 5th century AD. Okay, so 1000 after Lord Buddha, Nalanda University was built. 1000 after Buddha, and Ashoka in 3rd century BC before Christ is to come here and was built a monastery that is called Vihara,
Vihara. Oh,
and that Vihara, that monastery became Nalanda University.
ah, okay.
First, Ashok was Hindu religion, Hindu king,
Yeah.
but in Kalinga War, countless killed
Yeah.
in the Kalinga War. So Ashoka mind became changed,
Oh,
and then accepted Buddhist religion.
men get near Marlas, right?
뱅게미야 뭐. 어디 가서 그 나쁘게 드셔도 되겠네. 벤즈 미쳤다 뭐.
Ah,
벤즈 나와 같이 술에 봐봐.
no.
And hello, local history. Clearly, direct, not destroyed. Why? Because Hindu Pandit, Brahmin, why the date against of this university?
Oh, okay.
Because at that time, many Hindu accepted Buddhist religion. So Hindu Pandit became afraid. 99% became Hindu Buddhist. Then my food problems, very problems. So in secrecy, Hindu Pandit called the Muslim for destroying Nalanda. So actually, Hindu Pandit very dead against of this university.
Because
Excuse me?
연구 중에도 껴들고 사만 낭바교. 그래서 연구 중에 껴들어도 아니 콘서트 낭바디기다 돌아야.
So this is the
낭바를 낭바 돌게서 콘서트 했어. 가지도 못 되어버려.
hello Guruji. So this is the new gate.
Okay.
Main gate nobody knows.
Yeah.
Why? Why nobody knows? Because I have told you 10 kilometers. Excavated very small, 1 kilometer. 9 kilometers local village. So where is main gate? Nobody knows.
Okay.
So for the tourist, for you, a cutting a wall, a new gate made by department.
Okay.
Chinese traveler Huan Shang wrote a book, not direct admission system here. I have told you.
Yeah.
The main gate, the gate man proposes some hard question, and after passing the gate, a student is to go inside for admission, otherwise return back. So,
당기도 고시.
okay.
고치와 시어로. 저 치료가 가야지. 아무 티와 당기도 캠보고. 이내시네 할래.
So, hello, sister. Top and last. Which period Nalanda. Pala. Thank you, very good. And just middle. Thank you, very good. And first, Gupta. So one room, one. So you are coming.
Yes.
Now you are here. So one room, one lama, one room, one lama. So around 30 rooms. 30. For 30 lama. A study hour, all a student come out and you to sit in the classroom. This was the classroom for 30 students. Teacher stand for the teacher. Drinking water well. And a meditation temple, a small one. And storage, rice.
Yeah.
For the lama, local farmer donated milk, butter, rice, everything. So rice storage. And both side Buddha statue. When the student used to go, Buddha, so first Muni, Maha, Muni, Soha. Then used to go inside. So 1, 2, 3. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 30, 90.
Yeah.
3 monasteries, all students used to go in the Gumba. Chatya, that is called Chatya, meditation.
Oh.
And after meditation, a student return back his own monastery. So meditation and study, both. So 3 in 1, okay? 3 in 1. Okay,
Oh, okay.
3 in 1, okay, like this 10 kilometers.
Oh.
Like faculty, many department, art, architecture, Ayurveda, astrology, philosophy, medical Ayurveda, lots of in Pali.
Yes.
So, this was the gate for going in the monastery, where 30 monks, 30 lama to live and study.
Okay.
This was the gate.
Okay.
And near the gate, both sides Lord Buddha statue.
Now over here, I see.
Now in the museum, just opposite. and very good system near the gate. When the student and this and here there was a gate,
Oh, okay.
and gate not overhead, gate just down,
Oh, okay.
down portion.
Oh, low. You mean low?
First praying Buddham Saranam Gacchami, and monk Lama is to come here near the gate, come down
Oh,
near the gate, and used to go inside.
I see.
Because this was the religious Buddhist university. So due to that, come down, I used to go inside.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, picture of cow picture.
Oh, really?
Cow picture. Because one upon a time, a scarcity of milk, local farmer don't give milk. So in Christian power, Chandrakirti has made a cow
Okay.
and used to take milk.
Oh,
In spiritual power he has. Chandrakirti.
Well, he was storekeeper.
And Guru Padmasambhava also here various scholar to teach the monks, to teach the Lama. And 6 months study here, Huen Song, and then
Chandrakirti. Ah, that's 나와 잠깐.
그런 예방 그
so hello.
엄마 역시를 그런 파티는 반이 오면 쉬어요.
아,
저기
that's
그 쇼를 겸보가 하고 그런.
ah, that's.
이것이 유니버시티는 비율.
Ale, oh, that's.
단단만서 제주도 주치기도.
Ah,
스튜던트 로즈 제사졌어.
So now you are here.
아는 모두서 붙하고 없죠. Yes, yes.
Now,
mirror. Ah,
so like this room, around 30 rooms. A study hour, all the students come out and you to sit in the classroom. And very interesting, all rooms, about 12,000 rooms, 10 kilometers, 10,000 for the monks student, and 2,000 for teachers, acharya. And all rooms are AC.
What?
AC, air condition.
Oh, okay.
So not like this time. Thickness of the wall so wide.
Ah,
6 foot. The 6 foot, how can heat go inside?
yeah.
So in hot season cold, and cold season warm, natural AC.
No.
Not AC, like AC. Go and see.
Cool door.
So
Yeah, it's nice and cool.
so like this, 30 rooms for 30 students. Come and see the classroom.
Sure. Chandra 나와. 나와 잡아.
उनकी माँ
शारी पुत्र को शायद यूनिवर्सिटी नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी
नहीं था,
सिखाने का कुछ मौका नहीं
बाद में
है ना। वैसे प्रोफेसर था, जब बिहारा बना होगा तब होगा।
Nice.
Nervous kay marishada kora jurishani diyor.
Nice.
Niye böyle kağıt oluyor bırakıyor.
Ah,
Niye demek ya?
No.
Alası.
No.
Sabzattan niye?
Nice.
Kusum.
Nice.
Böyle o legasum başın kabarız.
Nice.
Alası niye? Tak o kayası ya bu.
Ah, nice.
Kora korku var.
Nice.
Ben hazır kullanmaya çıkıyoruz.
Ah, nice.
Yine kuzu çiziyoruz ki.
No.
Niye gördü kuzu çift hazır geldi.
No.
Ha şu Allah bu ya sen ne meşhur edo.
Ah, nice.
Bana tüyler sanma, roman artıyor, yapamazlar, çiğ pasa. İşte saçma bu.
Nice.
Şu iş kava.
Nice.
Bana da dedi bu değil mi? O da bu sanıyor.
Ah,
Bana çiğ var şimdi. Hadi da şöyle kendisi niye bes.
nice.
Ama ne sonuçta bu dedi niye be. Köyün komun diyor dedi niye be, kar niye be.
Ah, nice.
Hani diyorsun çocuğun bu sonra.
Ah, nice.
çocuğun bu tamam niye olsun bu. Our Chuba was in Gali Namgalia, loud.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
Oh, nice. 근데 중사 대라는 right?
yes.
Very good.
I am 38 years. 38 I am here.
Wow.
I know Chinese.
Oh,
I
wow.
know Korea, Japanese.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. In winter season, many Korea, many from China explain Korean language, China, big money tips. Half tips, okay.
Very experienced guide, huh?
38 years I am here.
Wow. How old are you now?
Plus 78 plus. 78 plus.
78 plus. Still healthy and strong. Huh?
Because always walking.
Oh.
In the morning time also. And this was the classroom. How many students classroom?
30.
Ah, okay. Okay, now okay. And teacher is there. Teacher stand for the teacher. So 700 classroom. 500 classroom just down. Gupta.
Oh, okay, 500.
Then rebuild Harsha. Then rebuild Overpala.
Pala, yeah, okay.
Mane demolish system was not going on. One building was damaged, completely covered, and make a foundation over there and rebuild same system.
Oh,
So 3 times Nalanda.
yeah.
5 AD, 7 AD, 9 AD. So this level storage.
Ah,
The local farmer donated milk, water, rice, everything. Come and see the original. The 1,300 years old original granary. Come and see.
sure. Student 10,000 here, Lasa. Go to Sa. Chile, sure, sir.
This is the mica stone.
Mica.
You know mica?
I don't know.
Mica like a mirror.
Oh, okay, like
Okay? So at the time of excavation, Buddha statue find out here.
Oh,
At that time, not good light arrangement. So at the time of meditation, sun rays over here.
oh, okay.
And direct light return on Buddha face.
Oh, okay.
Reflection system. So original one, mica stone.
Oh,
This one
so
is
this is the original
the
stone?
original, yes. I stick light, give the light and touch the stone, shining.
Low
there.
part. Can you put the
Shining
light
there.
there? Can you put the light on the
Light,
stone?
give the light.
She said it will reflect.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. It's shiny. It's shiny.
Okay?
Oh, so sun will get direct
Yeah,
on that
direct.
one and it reflects.
Yeah, reflection system. For at the time of meditation.
Oh,
From here, out new bricks.
oh, yeah, okay.
Come and see the date here.
Oh, okay. 1951 to 52.
Recently.
Oh,
And inside, 1,300 years old.
oh,
It keep rice storage.
oh, this is rice storage. Oh,
This one is original.
this is original. Oh, I see. It's cooler here too.
So from here, new bricks.
이거 처음 봐라. 좋은데. 이게 Alle şeributra del
Kazakhstan. Kontra University 소속하더니 그라요.
yono
그라쇼 계절지고 교수지고로.
ra.
야무나 그라 디기 프로페서 쇼제. 쇼랍쇼 아니 그라다 사스모진.
No.
제대로서. 네,
Before this,
어디?
তখন তো লোক খরচ ঠিক
야, 다들 그거 지금.